Apple is rich in fiber, so it helps to regulate baby's bowels movement. Growing baby needs energy for good development, and apple is a very good source of essential ingredients. If your baby isn't start lead weaning yet, you can give him apple puree. He will surely love it. The recipe is so simple, just follow these steps. Take a fresh apple and wash it well, then peel off its skin. Now remove the seeds and central hard part of the apple. When you are done, then cut the apples into cubes. You can cook the whole apple when peeled off, but it is better to cut into cubes. Now take a pan and put apple cubes in it. Pour some water in the pan. For one apple, half glass of water is enough. This is just for steaming purpose. Cover the lid and let it cook on low flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the lid and check if apple has become soft or not. If yes, then let it cool down and then blend to make a smooth texture. My son likes to chew things because he is on teething, so I just mashed the apples. Now it is in little chunky texture. Give your babies or toddlers, they will surely gonna love this. Subscribe my channel if you liked the video and hit the like button also. See you in the next video.